As the seasons change, so does your lawn. Keeping it just right becomes a chore. But what if upkeep was simple and effortless? Introducing the world's first robotic lawn sweeping mower, Ecoflow Blade. It's the first with a lawn sweeping feature that can sweep and store leaves and debris as it mows. And that's just the start. With the tap of a button, create a mowing boundary without the need for wires that Blade remembers for the next cut and beyond. With precise RTK positioning, Blade can navigate edge to edge to make sure every inch of grass gets the perfect cut. With cutting-edge X-Vision technology, LiDAR and visual sensors, Blade can avoid obstacles with ease, quickly rerouting to shave time off the job. We've redesigned mower navigation. With wheels that allow multi-directional movement, it can make even the tightest of turns. And thanks to RWD, high-torque motors, Blade climbs challenging slopes or rocks. As it moves, the floating blades trim your grass to the precise height you set. Even across uneven surfaces, including curbs, roots, and pathways. With its built-in rain sensor, Blade only cuts when the weather is right. Heading out to mow when the grass dries. It's the cutting edge of tech that makes our lives easier, and Blade is at the forefront, sweeping, cutting, and keeping your lawn pristine. That's Ecoflow Blade, the world's first robotic lawn sweeping mower. Let's go over some of its key features we just talked about, just in better details. Wire-free boundaries. Experience the convenience of our cutting-edge virtual boundary setting technology, eliminating the necessity for physical wire barriers. Within minutes, effortlessly establish limits for your robotic mower using the intuitive Ecoflow app. Whether you want to ensure your mower stays within your yard, avoids particular objects, or connects two separate lawns, our solution empowers you to achieve precisely that. Even when you relocate or undertake landscaping projects, modifying boundaries is as simple as a tap of a button. Save valuable time and energy while enjoying seamless control over your mowing experience. Smart obstacle avoidance and auto rerouting. Blade utilizes the advanced technology of Ecoflow, called X-Vision. By seamlessly integrating visual sensors and LiDAR, this robotic lawn mower possesses the intelligence to identify and circumvent obstacles of various sizes, ranging from lawn furniture to children's toys. Thanks to its real-time kinematic (RTK) positioning technology, Blade can dynamically adjust its route within an incredibly precise margin of 1 inch, ensuring it never gets stuck or overlooks any part of the mowing process. First ever lawn sweeping mower. Enhance the functionality of your auto mower by effortlessly attaching the lawn sweeping kit, designed specifically for the removal of unwanted debris like leaves, sticks, and waste from your yard. With this convenient addition, you can achieve the most visually appealing lawn in the neighborhood without exerting any extra effort. Please note that the lawn sweeping kit is available for purchase separately. Anti-theft tracking. Equipped with 4G, GPS, and an integrated eSIM, Blade offers the capability to track its location even if it goes missing from your property. In the event that the robot mower detects it has ventured beyond your yard, it automatically activates a lock to prevent unauthorized usage. This feature ensures the security and peace of mind that Blade remains under your control and cannot be utilized elsewhere. Easy to clean and maintain. With its integrated rain sensor, the automatic lawn mower efficiently detects showers or inclement weather conditions, promptly initiating its return to the charger. This feature ensures that your lawn remains free from mud and furrows. Moreover, Blade boasts an IPX5 water resistance rating, allowing you to conveniently use a low-pressure water jet to rinse off debris or soil from its wheels. This makes maintenance a breeze, ensuring optimal performance for your mower. Don't be left behind. This is the future. In an era where technological advancements are transforming our lives, it is time to revolutionize your approach to maintaining your lawn. The Ecoflow Blade Lawnmower robot presents a remarkable solution that combines convenience, efficiency, and environmental sustainability. By entrusting your lawn care to an autonomous lawnmower, you can experience a multitude of benefits, from time-saving advantages to reducing your carbon footprint. Here is why investing in the Ecoflow Blade Lawnmower robot is an intelligent choice. Time-saving convenience. One of the most enticing aspects of the Ecoflow Blade Lawnmower robot is the convenience it brings to your life. Smart obstacle avoidance and auto rerouting. Imagine reclaiming countless hours. Blade utilizes the advanced technology of Ecoflow, called X-Vision. With the autonomous lawnmower, by seamlessly integrating visual sensors and LiDAR, this robotic dedicating valuable possesses the intelligence to identify and circumvent obstacles. You can delegate the responsibility ranging from lawn furniture and enjoy the freedom to pursue other activities. Thanks to its real-time kinematic (RTK), whether it's spending technology with Blade can dynamically adjust its route within an incredibly precise margin of 1 inch, ensuring it never gets stuck or overlooks any part of the mowing process. Efficiency and precision. First ever lawn sweeping mower. The Ecoflow Blade Lawnmower robot operates with functionality of your auto mower by effortlessly attaching the lawn sweeping kit, designed specifically it navigates for the removal of unwanted debris like leaves, with utmost accuracy, and waste from your yard. Equipped with sensors, with this can detect obstacles, you can adjust the most visually appealing lawn, ensuring neighborhood without exerting any extra effort. By utilizing state-of-the-art features that the lawn sweeping such as kit GPS is available for purchase separately. The autonomous lawnmower operates seamlessly within predetermined areas, with 4G, leaving no patches of uncut grass, and an integrated eSIM. As Blade offers the capability to track its location even if it goes missing from professional landscapers. In the event that the environmental sustainability detects it has ventured beyond your yard, in an era of increasing environmental consciousness to prevent unauthorized usage, Lawnmower robot offers a significant advantage. This feature ensures the security and peace of mind that Blade remains under your control. Unlike traditional and cannot be utilized that rely on gasoline or electricity, easy to clean and maintain. Autonomous marvel operates with its integrated rain sensor. The automatic clean energy efficiently detects showers. You contribute to a greener future by reducing harmful emissions and minimizing noise pollution. This feature ensures the robot's lawn remains free, ensures minimal waste, and encourages healthy growth. Moreover, Blade boasts an IPX5 water resistance rating, allowing you to conveniently use a low-pressure water jet to rinse off debris. The Ecoflow Blade Lawnmower robot is designed with safety as a top priority. This makes maintenance a breeze, ensuring optimal performance within a protective casing, preventing any accidents at a cost of around $2,899. The robot automatically shuts off if it is lifted or tipped over, will pay itself ensuring the well-being of children or pets. Will live on to cutting you grass with enhanced safety features and intelligent technology. You can have peace of mind knowing that your loved ones and you receive an extended 4-year warranty and the support of a dedicated one-on-one service. While the initial available to assist you both before and after your purchase may seem significant, it is essential to consider the long-term Blade requires savings it offers. The company's policy goes by eliminating the need for professional landscapers or spending money ensuring minimal disruption. You can significantly reduce your lawn care expenses. As an added benefit, you are also provided the complementary accessories operates for the lifetime battery power, ensuring you always have the necessary with gasoline for optimal performance. Over time, this will surely give you peace of mind and the confidence in your purchase Blade and in the company your lawnmower for any perfect lawn to look at every single time. This lawnmower robot presents an exciting opportunity to embrace the future of lawn care. Its autonomous nature, coupled with efficiency, precision, environmental sustainability, safety, and cost-effectiveness, make it an irresistible choice. By investing in this innovative technology, you reclaim your time, reduce your carbon footprint, and enjoy the convenience of a perfectly manicured lawn. Seize this opportunity to enhance your life and take a step towards a greener and more efficient future. Choose the Ecoflow Blade Lawnmower robot and witness the transformation it brings. Link in the description. Follow for more content like this.